A river cuts through a rock not because of its power, but its persistence. This rings true for tonight's successful Fijian Jennifer Wainingolo, who says her journey to becoming one of the top female physiotherapists in the country was not an easy one. Karalaini Tavi with the story.
Growing up in a biracial family, Wainingolo says she was often bullied by her peers.
I would be teased because of who my dad was. I don't exactly look like an Indian, so I would be teased a lot. I would be bullied because of that, and that's one thing that it kind of pushed me. It made me want to be something in life.
She was inspired by one of Fiji's prominent physiotherapists, Kathy Wong, and enrolled at the Fiji National University's Fiji School of Medicine. But getting a qualification did not mean all would go smooth for her.
There weren't a lot of jobs for physiotherapists at that time, so I had to volunteer. I spent about 4 years volunteering with with the Ministry of Health. It was in Lautoka. I even came to Suva. Whatever I needed to do to maintain my skills, I did.
It was in 2009 when Jennifer Wainingolo landed a job with Samoa Rugby Union and her career took a turn.
And I think that's what got me noticed, if I may say. The Fiji national team, the Flying Fijians, toured Samoa while I was living there. They told me about a vacancy that would be coming up, which I applied for, and I got it. So straight from Samoa, I moved back to Fiji and I joined Fiji Rugby, and I've been with them ever since.
Working in an elite sport, particularly in the National Rugby 7s and 15s team, has been a turning point for her.
Going to the Olympics as part of the women's team, that was a huge moment for me. The Fijiana actually opened the rugby at the 2016 Rio Olympics. They played the first game, and that was a very special moment, you know, to join them out there, to walk out into the field with them, the feeling, the atmosphere, like nothing prepared me for it.
Wainingolo's message to other physiotherapists or aspiring ones is to always set their standards high and never compromise their ethics.
Set your standards high and never compromise your standards no matter what. Stick to your ethics. Often, I find myself working with men. I'm usually the only female in a male environment, and it's extremely important to me to have boundaries.
Wainingolo is the first female in the South Pacific to be certified under the World Rugby Medical Training Course, and she says she is using her knowledge to upskill other local physiotherapists. Karalaini Tavi, FBC News.